Oh!
Yanchi,
Same reaction, please.
Hi guys, I'm Kadamri and this is Gonu. Welcome to our channel, and today we are going to do a very interesting challenge. The idea for which I got from a lot of you.
Interesting challenges for her, not for me.
I know. So just a little background. Some of you may already know if you've seen our vlogs that young Gonu is a picky eater, and so when I'm saying picky eater, I mean like he's lived in India for very long, and all of you mostly know that his Hindi is very good. But when it comes to Indian food, he's quite picky, and he is specifically very and he specifically dislikes the taste of anything like chaat masala and that kind of masala. Like he's okay with garam masala and all in like mutton curry and stuff, but he doesn't like this taste of chaat masala. So if he has to drink nimbu pani, there should be no masala in it. Like he can't have golgappas because that pani golgappa ka is something
No,
you cannot
Golgappa
have.
it had.
But you don't like the pani of how much okay guys, that is another story. He's had golgappa with me in my lifetime, like since last 15 years I know him. He's only had once with me, and he had like one.
No,
Out of
couple of times.
Okay, that's another story.
That's
When it comes to chaat masala kind of flavor, he doesn't like it. And even like this green chutney and all, he will not have it. Lassi, he never drinks namkeen lassi. He only likes sweet
or
lassi.
Nimpani also.
Or nimbu pani I already mentioned, I think. Yeah, nimbu pani also. There can be no chaat masala or any kind of masala in it. So today's challenge, today we are doing a challenge, and today's challenge is basically I'm going to make him try hajmola. So I've been with him for 15 years. I think he didn't even know what hajmola is. Do you know what hajmola is? He has no idea what hajmola is because I never even tried. Because in the beginning I got to know that he's not.
मैंने
Okay.
ऐसे चीज सुना है कि हिंग ऐसे कुछ हिंगुड़ी I don't know something like that.
Yeah, he's heard hingoli because Youngjae's cousin takes a lot of hingoli. He really likes it. So I've got hingoli also. And I've got anardana. And I've got... This is also some yummy digestive, and it has like cumin, dry mango. So I guess a mix of anardana and jeera. And I've got this for him. I didn't want to just get hajmola because I want like a repetitive reaction of what it's like to taste it. So, shall we begin?
I need the water first. Actually, I just forgot to bring water. I'm just
Okay,
coming.
let him get water. We'll come back. I'm constantly laughing or smiling because this is going to be fun. Anyhow, so first we'll start with hajmola, the most epic hajmola.
I just washed my mouth so that it will be natural taste.
You don't need to do anything for this.
ये क्या छू करना है?
Just taste it.
ये छू करना है ना?
And but you have to finish it. You can't spit
That's
it
what I'm
out.
saying. छू करके swallow करना है ना?
Pehले ही you are scared. Don't smell it. Just have it.
पता चलता है यार smell से.
Finish it. We have 3 more. Huh?
It's very tasty.
No, you can't spit it.
Ah.
No, you can't finish it.
Oh. I can't even. I didn't chew. Oh. It's too salty. And spicy also.
Spicy.
I don't know, some pepper is कुछ आ रहा है.
Maybe it does have pepper. I don't even know what is there.
Ah.
Oh, it has too many things.
Ah.
You want? He hasn't even finished it. I can see it in his mouth. It's not even become small.
Oh. Next. This is
Okay,
Sabhi
fine.
hai.
You throw it on someone. Okay, so Because it was Hajmola first. To make it a bit better, let's try Anardana.
Oh.
I don't even want to give you time because we don't have so much time. This is not bad. Actually, this is slightly sweet also. But it is like it's.
Ah.
This is soft. Just bite into it. You don't have to just.
So far it's okay.
Anardana is not that bad.
I didn't bite it yet.
He has serious aversions to certain food, so I think this is his aversion against whatever this masala taste, and he has a serious aversion towards pickles and
Not-
things like that also.
Okay.
So
Still better. Better than this one for sure. Oh, this is. Oh. Oh. Come on, next. Come on, next. 아,
okay, he's like, bring it on.
이거 좋은 일 left.
Now we are trying hingoli, guys.
You're so happy, excited now.
You'll never eat it after this.
Obviously
You'll
not.
never eat it again.
I give anybody.
This is my only chance. Oh, rest everyone in the house likes these. Everybody will eat it. Indians are very used to it.
진짜 좋아하나? I think this I can break it.
No, the whole thing. ऐसे नहीं होता young Khonu.
Since I can break
No,
it,
no,
because
no,
like
no.
I'll
That's not
die.
fair.
I'll die, if I
That's
take.
not fair. Youngji, you want to try Hajmola? After this, we'll make Youngji try Hajmola.
sh-
Kids like it actually. We used to like it as kids.
Doesn't look nice also.
So,
Looks like the chiriaka poti.
just eat it. That's true, वैसे what he said. डालो तो मुंह में.
Oh. 잠깐만. 럭들이 아닌데 와.
You know, we were going to have our tea, and I told him, and he was like, let's drink tea and then we'll shoot it. And I told him, you first, let's do this first and then we'll have our tea.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
Huh?
that's it.
Yeah,
you can't swallow it. At least swallow one, yeah.
I don't want that.
You anyways never swallowed in your life again.
swallowed one.
Please, Anardana is the easy one. I anyways told you that.
Speechless.
So I think I'm gonna skip the last one. I think that this is good enough.
Why? Last one क्या है?
Last one मुझे नहीं पता क्या है, but like if you
ये
want.
ये वाला ना?
हाँ.
खड़ी के लेकर आए तो दे दो ना क्या है? I know I like in my rest of my life
being
for
a-
sure.
He's being a sportsman.
Since it was my wife wish, I'm doing it. These rolls are not going to be good. I can smell already.
I think by this even I don't know how this one is. Like other three I knew. Sweet,
Okay.
not that bad.
Not as salty as other two.
And is it sweet?
I didn't bite it. But yeah, it's maybe again pepper just put here. I can feel the. I'm biting now.
But pepper taste, so you should be okay with. I put pepper in all our foods. So this is
Something came in. Happy?
See guys, now let's see if Young Jay likes Hajmola. I'm gonna try with him. So guys, Young Jay was here with his
Grandma.
grandma, and look at him. He's inside the bed. He gets inside the bed like this. Anyways, we are going to try Hajmola with him. Young Jay, go 먹어?
Same reaction, please.
नहीं फेंका नहीं सलाइवा निकाला. Yeah, he's like, take them. No, you don't like. No, he's going to eat it. Mama likes it.
That shows us that he's
Give
half
it to me.
Korean. Thanks, Youngjae. Thank you, Youngjae. You saved me.
It's not that bad.
Oh, anyway, thank you.
Actually, you know, I've not eaten it in so long. Plus, I was drinking my coffee and eating my laddu, so I don't want to eat it right now.
क्यों? अच्छा लगा तुम भी?
नहीं, मुझे तो अच्छी लगती है.
तो खा लो ना.
After food.
नहीं खा लो ना तो मुंह से क्यों नहीं करते? जल्दी मुंह में डाल ले. अच्छा? जल्दी डालो. See, look at her. She's trying, you know, like. अच्छा. ये जल्दी डाल जल्दी.
I'm going to say bye.
No, बाय नहीं होगा. पहले ये खा के ये खा के बाय होंगे. जल्दी डाले. हाँ, जल्दी डाले. No, I have to do this. Look at her. I'm not fair.
Then you say bye.
First, finish it and we'll see.
I can finish it. It's not a big
हाँ तो
deal.
जल्दी खत्म करो ना. खा के देखा जाए एक सेकंड.
Time लगता है. You don't
अच्छा.
just. You don't. हाँ, चूसने की होती है. You suck on it. You don't just bite into it.
One bite.
See, my mom.
Photo. Just
You
show
can't
the
argue
dance,
with
just
her.
1 minute and it is a
Anyway, you guys saw that, you know, what she has done. She also tried to not eat.
So guys, hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. You've seen what Ghanu's done for you guys, so you have to give us a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Ghanu, any last words? I saw you were going to say something.
Nothing. Speechless.
Don't give us ideas, huh? Don't give her ideas.
Oh yeah, someone has thrown the ideas about the challenges. Please don't do, you know, sometimes, you know, the someone else has to suffer.
Only you will suffer. I may or may not suffer, but you will.
We'll do
definitely.
some Korean thing when we are in Korea next time for sure.
I eat all Korean food.
No, something
No,
different.
I eat all
I'll do
Korean
something
food.
different for sure.
Okay guys, bye.